Hello, techies. This is Comtel Lab 5.2.8, and we're going to connect computers with a switch. So I'll go ahead and highlight all of the facts that we are going to be looking at in this particular lab. So they're all highlighted on the left pane. So we're going to take our time and work on each one by one. So in this lab, we are going to, you will design a small office network using the network modeler. Add the computer to the canvas in the tools tray. Select the end devices icon. Drag all the three components to the modeler canvas. Add the switch to the canvas. And so let's just go ahead and just start up. We have all of the tools that we need to work on here because we're still going to connect the computers to the switch in the tools tray, and we are also going to add the router to the canvas, and we are also going to add the router to the canvas and connect the switch to the router in the tools tray, and we're going to make sure to create a link icon. Okay, so that is about it for this particular lab. We're also going to be using the create link to connect the router to the switch. Okay, so that is about it for this particular lab. So let's start up right away. So first things first, we start with the first task: add the computers to the canvas. So we go over to the computer section, add the computers to the canvas: computer 1, computer 2, PC 2, and home laptop. I'm going to add all of this to the canvas, and the second task is to add the switch to the canvas. So we add the switch here. This is it. We add the switch here to the canvas, and type 3 says to connect the computers to the switch. So we connect each of the computers to the switch. So let's get a connector here, the link here. So this is the link icon here. So we use it to link the switch to the computers or the computers to the link, whichever way. So let's link this Ethernet, and we're gonna link this switch to. We're gonna link this Ethernet, and we'll go ahead and link this switch there. This is gonna be Ethernet, and let's see how we do. This is the router. Add node. Add the router to the canvas. Connect the switch to the router. All right, so we've added our router. The next task is to connect the switch to the router. So we take this here and the router port. We'll connect this here and connect the switch to the router, and let's see what else. Let's close this. Okay, so I think we are good to go here, and just make sure that just make sure everything is intact. Let's make sure everything is intact. Yes, so we'll go ahead and scroll up and see how we do. And everything is 100%. Alright, so you know what to do. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button. Share this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. If you have further questions, hit me up in the comment section or use the WhatsApp number attached to this video. Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck in your educational pursuit. Peace.